Welcome back to day 2 of our vlog in Ferragudo. Ferragudo is a small fishing village. Fishing baskets and nets line along the quayside, and at certain times in the morning, if you're lucky enough, you can see the fishermen landing their catch with the seagulls swooping down on them, which is quite amusing to be fair at some points. You can watch the staff preparing charcoal grills, ready to cook up the catch of the day. At least it's not cold now. Yeah. Still a bit, wind is a little bit chilly. From here you can catch the water taxi over to Portimao and Praia da Rocha. Walking through these streets, you'll see the traditional Portuguese tiles called azulejos. I probably murdered that, but these colourful ceramic tiles are one of the most recognisable features of Portuguese architecture. They often depict religious scenes or tells a story of the local area.
It's unusual.
Yeah. The traditional Portuguese cobbled streets are known as calçada portuguesa, pavements from small hand-cut pieces of limestone arranged often in decorative patterns. Be careful, these floors can be slippy, particularly when it's just rained or actually in the midday heat. Right, a little bit of a mountain expedition now. Actually, there's some steps there. I think the steps is a safer bet. We're on top of the world, Ma! And it looks like all roads lead to the church. It's our morning walk so far. That's not a bad view for a Monday. Perched at the highest part of the village, the Church of the Lady of the Conception. The church dates back to the 16th century and overlooks the Arade River, with views to Portimao and Praia da Rocha. This is a good little find, sunny little spot. These streets twist and climb up from the waterfront with narrow cobbled lanes, whitewashed houses, colourful doorways and bright bougainvillea spilling over the walls and creating arches between the houses.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Pretty.
Yeah.
It's definitely not as much flowers as it was last time we came, but it's still beautiful. We drop down to Praia da Angrinha, a quiet stretch of sand lined with fishermen's cabins, and which at the end lies the castle. The castle is a private building, and I'm sure I'm about to butcher this again. Castelo de São João de Arade. Follow the castle and around its walls, and you'll soon find yourself at Praia Grande, the larger beach. Here you'll find several charming bars and restaurants. Looks like they do a bit of live music here. The sand is golden and a large stretch, and the sea is noticeably more calmer than in Praia da Rocha and Portimao. It's a nice little place. Cold beer, friendly staff. May need another one. Good selection of fresh fish here daily that they'll bring out to show you. Heading back, this cafe was right next door to the church, a lovely little hidden gem. Cafe Duplex. After another cold beer, it was time to head back to the apartment for a little bit of lunch. We had a couple more drinks in the square and then decided to stay for an early dinner.
Wait for our... Is it so busy? It automatically did it that time. So we're just waiting for our food.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.